I have not written an Excel formula from memory in about a year. 3 tricks replace them, and the first one feels like cheating. Here is exactly how I use AI for Excel now. Trick 1. Describe the formula in plain English to any chatbot. I typed, match each order ID to its region on sheet 2, and got a working XLOOKUP back in 1 line. Pasted in, done. No syntax, no arguments to remember. Trick 2. Paste your messy columns straight into the chat and ask for cleanup steps. Split names, trim spaces, fix dates, it lists them in order. Trick 3 is my favorite. Before building any chart, ask what trend am I missing. In my tests it catches things I skim past. 0 formulas memorized, 3 tricks, and as of mid-2026 the free tier of any major chatbot handles all of them. The real skill now is describing your problem clearly. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. I am filming a full AI and Excel course next, covering pivot tables, dashboards, and automation from scratch, and it lands on this channel first.